That's right, Godwin. Oh, look! Pond! Look, Sebastian and Amy are pond dipping. They are dipping nets into the pond to see what teeny tiny creatures live in the water. Hi, everyone! Hi! Oh, are you having a good fun pond dipping? Fantastic! Can I have a go? We're using these nets for our pond dipping. Look! I have got a tadpole!
A tadpole.
That's right! It's a tadpole! Well done, Amy. That's great. We're going to have another dip. Okay. Hi, Adam and Sebastian. Hello. Oh. Having a good look at what you caught? Wow, look at all of these little creatures. Tell you what, let's have a look at them using a magnifying glass. There we are. Do you want to hold one of those, Sebastian? Yeah, that's it. Oh, look, I can see the water boatman. He's swimming really fast. Look, Sebastian, this is a snail.
Snail.
That's right. Wow, these are really good. Wow! Well, I'll tell you what, guys, we have found lots of tiny little creatures. That's right, that live in the pond. That's right. Let's look inside Mr. Tumble's Spotty bag. Ooh, what's this?
It's a branch.
That's right. It's a branch. Now,
It's a branch.
I wonder if there are lots of tiny little creatures that live on a branch like this. What do you
It's a
reckon?
branch.
Where should we look for the branch, eh?
It's a branch.
How about we look over there? Where? Well done, you found the branch. Can you see the branch? Yes, there's the branch. It's time to sign. Ah, look. Branch. You sign. Branch.
Branch.
Well done, NC.
Wow.
That's right, Godwin. Oh, look. Branch. Look, Adam is shaking a tree branch very carefully. I wonder what he's doing that for. Hey, hello everyone. Hello. How are you doing? Wow, what's going on here? Adam, why are you shaking that tree branch?
We're shaking the tree branch because all the little creatures are holding onto the leaves.
Ah.
If we shake it really hard, they'll all fall off onto the sheet, and when they're there, we can look at them with the magnifying glasses.
Come on, Amy. Let's have a look through our magnifying glass, eh? Let's see what we've got. Come on then, come around here. Oh, look, what's that?
That's a pier.
You're right. It's a caterpillar.
And eating the leaf.
That's
And
right.
numps, numps.
We've got some fantastic things over here. Oh, you've got a soldier beetle.
Red and black.
Hey, what was that noise?
Over there.
Do you think it was the little creatures making that noise?
No.
No, I think I know who it was. Come on, let's look inside Mr. Tumble's Spotty bag, shall we?
What is that?
Go on then, you can pull that one out, Amy.
Come and look at this.
That's it. You got it? Who's that?
Mr. Tumble.
That's right. Look, it's Mr. Tumble. Come on, let's all call for him, shall we? After three, as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mr. Tumble! Oh. Amy and Sebastian are meadow sweeping. They're running through the meadow with big nets to catch some teeny tiny creatures. Ha ha! This meadow sweeping looks great fun! Hey, wait for me! Wow, look!
Look at all of that. It's a...
Caterpillar.
Wow! What's that?
Caterpillar.
We've got another caterpillar.
Hi guys, come on in, Amy. Come and sit down here with me. That's it. Let's see what we've got in our net, shall we? Oh, here it comes. Woo!
Look at that!
Wow!
Bouncing
There's
everywhere.
lots of tiny little creatures here. What have we got, Adam?
We've got some frog hoppers.
Aha, some frog hoppers.
Ooh, you've got
That's
a
right, a little ant.
ant. Wow!
Amy! What was that noise? You know what? It's time to go. But what should we send back to Mr. Tumble? What do you think?
What do you think?
Oh, of course! Look at this, Sebastian. Great idea, Amy. What about sending Mr. Tumble a net? He'll love that. Yeah? Great stuff. Well, goodbye, Adam.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Oh, and goodbye, Sebastian.
Bye-bye, Justin.
And bye-bye to Amy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye, Justin. Bye-bye, Justin.
Bye-bye. Right then. Let's send the spotty bag back to Mr. Tumble. Are you ready? Take your finger